Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to achieve healthy and strong nails. If you want to strengthen and maintain the health of your nails, you're in the right place. Pay attention to your diet for healthy nails. A diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals helps strengthen your nails. Regularly moisturize your nails. Using moisturizing products can prevent your nails from drying out and breaking. Proper nail care is essential for healthy nails. Trim your nails properly and take care of your cuticles regularly. Avoid harmful habits that can weaken your nails. Especially, refrain from biting your nails as it negatively affects nail health. Protect your nails. Use protective gloves when dealing with chemicals to shield your nails from external factors. Natural nourishing oils are a great way to care for your nails. Oils like almond oil or argan oil can strengthen and nourish your nails. Regular manicures help keep your nails healthy. However, avoid overly harsh and frequent manicures. Consider taking vitamin and mineral supplements if needed. These supplements can support the strength and health of your nails. Stress can negatively impact nail health. Regular exercise, meditation, and a stress-free lifestyle can contribute to stronger nails. Lastly, prioritize natural nails and remember that long nails aren't always healthy. Protect and maintain the health of your natural nails. These are the 10 tips for healthy and strong nails. By following these tips, you can preserve the beauty and health of your nails. Remember, strong nails are not only aesthetically pleasing but also important for overall health. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and care tips on my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.